Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the SimPure Countertop water filtration system. This is a reverse osmosis. What's nice about this, you don't have to go under your counter and do a bunch of installation stuff. Pretty much just set this on top and you're good to go. All right, we got a box inside of a box here. So I'll be testing out the water here. Wow, box in a box. There we go. All right. Have on top here, nice little manual. Okay, looks like a little drip tray. Excellent packaging here. This thing is super solid. Get this nice foam packaging here. This has a bunch of nice features. Basically removes pretty much all parts per million of toxins and bacteria and nasty stuff in your water. Okay, that is that. Oh, almost forgot. There was this glass pitcher in there. So, yeah, it was hidden in this foam. I thought it was just like a extra, case there. That's cool. Fits like right on there perfectly. So we'll rinse this out. How to rinse each side. Oh, it even has like a little filter in here as well, like another like some kind of a filter. Turn the little clockwise while the filter comes out. First time you soak the filter in tap water for 10 minutes. Okay, so the final stage where I have a TDS, total dissolved solids monitor too. I'm going to test the water prior to filtration and then after. I have to go soak this for 10 minutes. I think I have to run a couple of maybe a tank through this or not to see how it's going. All right, pretty sweet looking here. So if you do have bad tasting water, this should help as well. I know I live in California, and if you live down in Southern California, the water it's nasty. I'm not even gonna mince words there. Wow, good sized tank in the back. Look at that. I believe it's 1.5 gallons. So that is cool. And we can see also right here in the back, that gives us quick access to the filters. I like already initially this large, the large tank there. Means we don't have to refill it too many times. Pretty much we'll just slip our little drip catcher right under there. Oh, that's cool. It's check that out. It's like magnetized, so just aligns itself perfectly. And we have our little interface here for buttons and stuff like that. I'm tempted to do it right here and just have some fresh water here, but let's go into the kitchen and test this out here, shall we? All right, friends, I'm just gonna go over the initial kind of getting it ready stages. So you take this filter was on the top of the carafe there, you just place it in a bowl of cold water for about 10 minutes. And you can see it's got it's kind of blackish. It's got carbon stuff that's coming out of there. When that's so for 10 minutes, you take it out and run each side underwater for a minute. Okay, now this, you're just gonna fill up the tank. So we're gonna unplug this. You have to do this till about 4 gallons run through. We're gonna fill up the tank with water. All right, I filled the water to a little bit below the max. I like that this has this handle here, because this is a little heavy. If you can't do it all at once, you can fill it up half the way and use a pitcher or whatever to fill up the rest. Okay, You set it on there and make sure it sets down firmly in there. And close up the top, just like that. You have a little max level right here on the glass there, on the plastic. Okay, just plug in the device. It should start automatically flushing as soon as you plug it in. Make sure you have your pitcher under the drip tray. Oops, dump all that out. Okay, it should flush for 30 seconds and then it'll stop. Once that is done, we'll just press the 36 ounces button. Super easy to press these buttons, just barely touch it, it works no problem. It's gonna dump all that water out, and then we just continue. Just you wanna empty the entire tank. A little light will come on here that says change water. We'll dump that out and fill it up. You wanna do about 3 tankfuls of water, and that's gonna make sure your entire system is all flushed out of anything and ready to go. So this is about our 3rd step. I just thought I'd show this with you guys to show how it's easy to get this thing set up and going. I'm just gonna continue doing the flushes and then I'll try some water. Okay friends, the moment of truth. I got all the flushing done. I'm gonna turn on my TDS monitor. Let's go ahead and brew 12 ounces here. So I'm gonna test the water in the trough here. So that's at 93 total dissolved solids. Okay, moment of truth, my friends. Brewed 36 ounces of water here. So from 94 total dissolved solids parts per million to done. Okay, to 3. Just so we can see that. Pretty good there. That's done. Let me taste this and see how it tastes here. It tastes really good. Like good, clean water. It's excellent. All right, my friends. Well, that's it for this one. I recommend this for, you know, just easy. If you got water, if you're living in a town or a place where your water is nasty, maybe it's not very good, it's got a bunch of stuff in there, get yourself a countertop reverse osmosis machine and make sure that your drinking water is safe and delicious. Thanks for watching this review. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.